Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBP/USD and we will also share our trading ideas of GBP/USD for intraday trading. But before that, first of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we give in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FX Vessel and watch that video. In that video, we did these analyses and we said that we will open a buy trade above this resistance level and we will open a sell trade below this support level. Market was almost here when we give this analysis video. So when market come in this resistance level, so there was my moving average. So I was confident that market will go down to this support level. So basically when market come in this resistance level, I opened a sell trade and market almost come in, let's check here, market almost come 17 pips in my profit, but I shift my SL at entry point when market was almost here almost when market moved in a profit almost 10 or 12 pips. I shift my SL at entry point and less trend, but market come little bit more down and then move up to hit my break even. So I didn't get any profit, I didn't get any loss in this trade. So basically let's move this area and discuss about next trade. Okay, so market was here almost, there was FOMC time and I was expecting that gold will dollar will be strong and GBP/USD will fall down. So basically I set a sell stop order below this candle. So there was my sell stop order. My SL was almost 30 pips and market come down, open my order and shoot down. When market come here, I closed my trade. I got almost 1-2 risk reward. So that was a nice trade, but after that GBP/USD moved very well, but I closed my trade almost here. So that trades were opened in yesterday. So let's remove all these analyses and discuss about our today's analysis. So first of all, we will remove these areas and please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBP/USD and GBP/JPY for intraday trading. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's come to the point. This is the GBP/USD T1 time frame. If you can look here, that almost so this was the previous range high. Market break this high, goes up. Now market is almost retesting from this level and this was the previous range low. Okay, fine. So now move on H4 time frame and look, see what's going on here. Perfect. Okay, so we have a supply area here. So according to my experience, there is a high probability chance that market will come in this supply now. So let's see what will happen if we move on H1 time frame. On H4 time frame, I have a buy trade here. If this bearish candle start breaking this previous candle high, I mean if this bearish candle start going to upward, converting to a bullish candle, then you can open a buy trade almost here. Your SL should be below this level and you can take almost 1-2 risk reward easily. So that will be a nice trade. So this is the live trade. If this candle, if this candle start going upward, if this candle convert into bullish candle, then you can open a buy trade. Your SL should below this range and your TP almost, you can take 1-2 risk reward easily. So this is the live trade on H4 time frame. So let's see what's going on H1 time frame. Yeah, fine. Now we'll move on M30 time frame and fine. So basically this will be a nice trade. This will be a nice trade. I hope market will come up to retest this level. So basically if this candle start breaking this previous low, then I will open a buy trade and my SL will below this level and TP will 1-2 risk reward. And if market come in this supply area, then basically I will open a sell trade. So I will set a sell limit pending order almost here. My SL will be almost above this area. Let's come to the H1 time frame and see. Yeah, perfect, nice. So basically then we will open a sell trade and we can take 1-3 risk reward easily. Yeah, that will be nice. So here are the trading ideas of GBP USD for today. If this candle convert in bullish candle, then you can open a buy trade and you can take 1-2 risk reward easily, almost here. And if market come in this supply, so basically I'm going to open a sell limit order almost here. I put my sell limit order here in front all of you guys. So you can also set your sell limit order at this supply area. So when market come in this supply area, basically our sell order will be active and let's see what will happen. So these two trading ideas of GBP USD for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups, and if you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can ask in comment section box. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis of gold, GBP USD and GBP JPY. If you are looking for best forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.